Alright, here I am, showing you how to fix a door lock. Circlip failure, right here. And this latch piece assembly fell off of the ignition. God's sake, man. How many big Arden blondes over there? Alright, now, there I got natural light so I can actually see what I'm working on. That ought to be interesting. The concentric bar goes inside there. I see how that could work. You could clip it in too. You could just snap it in after. So this can go in first, then you just snap the bar over into place. I get it. Alright. Let me match up the circlip that's broken. He got a headset on.